Hey, Rusty Milo, what's wrong? You can talk to me.
Oh, I have these dark circles around my eyes. They look terrible.
Oh, you're right. I can help. I know somebody who can give you a nice facial to take care of them. Come with me.